that you know and you know. So let's face it, you had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this mean anything, anything else? Where